Good morning, guys. This is my room right now, you guys. Yes, this is my room right here. Good morning, guys. Let's go back forward. What you guys be up to? Anything, anything. Oh, I'm so tired. That's blinding. This is the bathroom, which looks so nice, which is awesome, guys. Yes. So we are in a different country. Yes, you guys figured that out yesterday. So trying to find my belt. Whatever my belt is. Belt. Belt. Trying to find my belt, you guys. Yeah, so I don't know the project's there, so I don't know. I haven't seen my project out yet, but I don't know 100% where my project is or my belt is. So I'm gonna look for it and talk to you guys when I'm done. So this is our project right now, you guys. Yes, this is our project. I'm going back, trying to figure out what's going on. Don't know. So that's what our project is doing today. And we got done most of it. Just this wall to go and a bit on this side. So yeah. So that's exciting. See? Look at that. Oh. See? This is our work area. Some more things. So this is what I'm doing. Cleaning, making sure everything's been clean and then stuff. So that's awesome, guys. Yeah. So right now it's 8:80 and 3/4. 88 and 3/4. So our next project is welding time. Yeah, that's exciting, you guys. So stay tuned for that. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm gonna end today's video. So let's go and draw for one. Signing out. So if you guys did hear that, it's Go Dog Spawn signing up. Peace on, guys. See you guys back in a new picture. Have a good day. Bye.